Hey everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about how to keep a healthy and fashionable beard. Having a well-kept beard can be a great addition to your look, but it does take some effort and attention to detail to get it right. The first step is to regularly wash your beard with a gentle shampoo. Make sure to rinse it well and blot it dry with a towel. Then, brush the beard daily to distribute the natural oils and prevent tangles. You can use a brush with boar bristles or a comb to carefully remove any knots. Next, use beard oil to keep your beard hydrated and nourished. This will also help to reduce itching and make it easier to manage. Put a few drops of oil on your beard and massage it in. You should also maintain a regular trimming schedule to keep your beard looking neat. You can use scissors or a trimmer to achieve your desired length. Don't forget to clean up the neckline and remove any stray hairs. Finally, you should make sure to consume a diet that's rich in vitamins and minerals. This will encourage healthy hair growth. Exercise is also important as it helps to increase blood flow. Be sure to avoid products with harsh chemicals, as these can strip away the natural oils from your beard. Look for products that are specifically designed for beards. Following these steps will help you to keep a beard that is both stylish and healthy. Just remember, you need to be patient and consistent in order to see the best results. Thanks for watching.